This looks like the perfect place to start digging. But exactly what are we digging for? Yeah, what do you think we're going to find in all of this sand? They're right. This looks like a big litter box. It's not a litter box. It's a sand dune. And we're looking for special white balls that are buried in the sand. Wait, what? We came all this way for some white balls? Ooh, I love balls. I love balls. Let's find the balls. Let's find the balls. Well, they're not those types of balls. They're special balls. Aw, man. Don't be disappointed. You're gonna love them when we find them. Okay then, let's start digging. Guys, come quick! I found one! Ooh! That's really beautiful! I want to see! Hey! That looks like a regular old ball to me! What's all the shouting about? Let me see. Ooh, that is pretty. It might look like a regular old white ball, but these balls are really special. Once we dig them all up, we are going to take them over to the special machine, and then they're going to change color. What? How are they going to change color? Oh, I love color-changing balls! I love color-changing balls! Before I explain, let's just dig them up and see how many we can find. All right, if you say so. Oh man, I am so excited! Balls! Digging! Oh, it's like a dog's dream! I found one! Guys, I found another one! Oh man, this is so much fun! Look, another one! I don't know. I still think it looks like a giant litter box. That's okay. I'll go ahead and start digging. Hey! I found one of those magic balls. They're so pretty. I'm gonna see if I can find some more. Hey, there's another one! Oh, I hope we find a lot. And another one! Wow! I hope my friends are having as much luck as I am. I don't really know how this is gonna work, but all of my friends seem really excited, so I'm gonna go ahead and start digging too. Hey, I found one! Oh wow, they are so beautiful! Huh. I wonder how this machine is gonna turn them into different colors. Let's see if we can find some more. Hey, there's another one! Wow, you guys, look at all the balls we found. Yeah, this is way more than I had expected. I thought maybe 2 or 3, but look at this pile we found. Great job, everyone. Hey, what's that up there? It looks like it's Hazel's mom. She's in a helicopter. Hi friends, it's Hazel's mom. I'm just taking a tour in a helicopter. Oh, that's fun, isn't it? Yeah, from a helicopter you can see for miles and miles. It's so beautiful up here. Yeah. Hey, what's that? Looks like it might be some of our friends down there. I wonder what they're up to. Do you think we should land the helicopter and go ask our friends what they're doing? Yeah? All right! Come on, friends, let's go! Good landing! Yeah! Hi, everybody! What are you guys up to over here? Hi, Hazel's mom! It's so nice to see you! We've dug out all of these white balls so that we can take them to the color changing machine. But, well, we found more than we can carry. Do you think you could help? Oh yeah, I sure can. Let's see. I know. Let's load all of the balls into the bucket. Then I can carry the bucket with my helicopter over to the machine. Oh, that's a great idea. We'll ask Bulldozer to help us put him in the bucket. Thanks, Bulldozer. Take him away, Hazel's mom. Okay, let's go. Well, this looks like the right spot. Yeah, let's go ahead and dump the balls out. Yeah. All right, everyone. Here come the balls. Look out below. Wow, thanks, Hazel's mom. All right, team, what do we do now? Well, the first thing we need to do is decide which color we want the balls to be. Then we're going to say the color out loud and spell the name of the color. Once we do that, we put the balls in the machine and they'll change into that color. Oh, that sounds like a lot of fun. Hey, friends at home, can you help us spell the names of the colors we want? Yeah, that'll be fun. All right, team, what color should we start with first? Oh, let's start with red. Oh, okay, let's start with the color red. Are you ready? Let's spell it. R-E-D. Red. Wow, that was really cool. Okay, let's do another color. Let's do blue next. Blue. All right, friends, ready? Let's spell blue. B-L-U-and-E. Blue. Orange. All right, let's do orange. This is a big one. Okay, orange is spelled O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Okay, let's try 2 more colors. How about, I'm gonna pick the color yellow. Yeah, I love the color yellow. It's so bright and cheery, isn't it? Okay, yellow is spelled Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. All right, team, let's do 1 more color. What should our last color be? What about pink? Pink is a great color. Okay, friends at home, this is our last color to spell. Pink is spelled P-I-N and K. Pink. Let's put those balls inside the machine. It worked! Wow, that was a lot of fun, but how did you know how the machine would work? Easy! I read about it in a book. Of course! Books are full of really helpful and useful information! All right, well, I better get the helicopter back. Thank you for your help, Hazel's mom. Oh, well, you're very welcome. I always love helping out my friends. Yeah, And thank you, friends at home. You did a really great job spelling those colors today. Yeah, good job. All right, well, that's the end of this adventure. But if you want to continue exploring, click the big red subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And we'll see you next time. Bye.